Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Wise application. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. First of all, launch Wise application on your mobile. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the top left corner, you can see a circle icon with your name's initials on it. So just tap on that circle icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you are here at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the option of details. Tap on that option. With that, you'll come across this page where you can see your personal details. You can also see your name mentioned. So just tap on the field where your name is entered. Now let's change a name. Here we go. Now you can also change your last name as well. Okay, so let me change my last name as well. Now, after entering the new name, just tap on the option of Save at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you are here, just go back or reload your page and you can see that your name on Wise account has successfully been changed. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to change your name on Wise application in no time. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.